Yeah, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be potting on these Penstemons. I potted these on, I think, 20th of January into these trays. As you can see, they've done really well. This is one I've just done. All you need is some 9cm pots. I got these off eBay, second hand from a garden centre. These arrive in these at the garden centre and then they pot them on, so these are basically waste, so they're quite cheap. So all you need to do is fill your pot up. This is peat-based compost with 6 weeks worth of feed in. And get yourself a knife or a sharp object, well, not sharp but flat object, down the side and then gently up like that. You can do it from the bottom, but if you want to use these trays again, this is the best way of doing it. And we're all into recycling these days, aren't we? So just nice round. You don't want to plant them really deep, you don't want to bury any foliage or anything and cause more moisture to be retained than has to be. But yeah, just give it a tap down like so, and then with my miniature watering can, just give it a good water on the top, just to get it nice and damp. And then all I do is into my tray, which is at the side, tray water just there, leave them in there till they're totally saturated, take them out onto the propagating bench and leave, and yeah, they'll be fine then. To stop this rot this time, I've sprayed it a couple of times with this fungus fighter concentrate. It really has helped. Before, when I tried to grow these, they just end up damping off, and you get to a certain stage and they just all collapse. I can show you. These are some that I just left. Look at the state of these. Too close together, too much moisture, and just rotted basically. So yeah, if you're going to grow these, as soon as they come through, you want to get them out of the trays, get them potted on as soon as you can. And then if you see any signs of them starting to discolour or turn a bit soggy, give them a spray. Can't recommend it enough. Right, just get some more of these done, shall we? Give this one a water. That's a peat-based compost. There's 6 weeks worth of feed in this, so it does it all right. But I'm feeding them like once a week at the moment. I want to get nice and strong for when the weather turns, when the weather gets nice. So yeah, show you before. Nice compost in there. Nice knife down the side. Like I said, these are on it. Really flimsy trays, these. Really designed just to be used once and thrown away, but if you're gentle with them, you can use them over and over again. Into the centre. I can't wait till all these flower. I'm so looking forward to them. So we get a good shot. And these are perennials, these, so once you've got them, everybody says take cuttings off them in the late summer, so you've got some for the next winter, just in case you get a hard frost and it kills them all off. So yes, some really nice colour with these this year. If you've got any questions regarding how to grow these, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.